Hi guys, these are some of my little mini stencils. I made them just to use in my planner, but I also use them in my art journals. And I decided I have so many of them in stock that I would run a little mini sale on the mini planner stencils. So you'll find a link in the description below if you want to check them out. And otherwise, I am just sitting here working away in my planner. I'm a little behind, so I'm actually creating the pages the day of or the day before, as far as decorating them and making them look the way I want them to, because my planner is an art planner without a doubt. It is, everything in it is personal and business, but it definitely orients around the art that I love to make. And it's a great place to sit and draw little girls and portraits and my little monster girls. And yeah, it's just a great place for me to be creative and have fun. And I don't, I've stopped sharing my planner for the most part, just kind of getting back to using it for my own purposes and not worrying about needing to show it to anyone or, explain my process or anything like that. But I do still keep my planner, and I do show it off on occasion to my patrons over on Patreon. So if you're not on my Patreon, you definitely should be there, especially if you like to see what's going on with all of my art journals and art planner and all the different things that I do in my studio. So yeah, I will just play you some music and let you see how this page turns out. And at the very end, I introduced my newest little mini stencil, which is actually a stencil and mask combination. So it's a lot of fun to use, and it really inspires me to find fun, creative ways to decorate that particular little stencil. But you'll have to go to the end of the video or watch the whole video in order to see it. Otherwise, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the internet.